Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Start menu and typing CMD. This filters results immediately, so you don't waste time. Once you see Command Prompt, click it or press Enter to launch a standard session. Make sure you're in the account you want, because permissions follow that user. If you only need basic commands like dir or ipconfig, this standard window is fine. Now that the prompt appears, you're ready to run simple commands and confirm system paths. Proceed to run higher permission steps next. When a command requires elevated rights, you must open an administrator prompt. Right-click the command prompt result and pick Run as administrator. Alternatively, press Win+X and choose Command Prompt Admin or press A. Once the user account control dialog appears, confirm the elevation so commands can modify system settings. Make sure to be cautious. Elevated commands can change critical files. After the window opens, you'll see an administrator. Command Prompt Title. This tells you elevation succeed. To finish, type Exit and press Enter or click the window X to close Command Prompt. This ensures running tasks end cleanly. If Command Prompt fails to open, reboot first, then try again as administrator. If problems persist, open Task Manager to end any hung CMD. EXE processes and run sfc/scano from an elevated prompt to repair system files. Make sure to save your work before these steps. Once done, retry launching CMD. That usually resolves permission and corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.